What's up guys, today we're going to take a look at some tools you didn't know about. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, ValRemote. The ValRemote, including the ValFast Complete set, represents a significant advancement in forestry equipment. By integrating infrared remote control into proven impact wrenches, this system enhances safety, productivity, and cost-effectiveness in tree felling and other tasks. This review will explore the key features, practical benefits, and overall value of the ValRemote and ValFast set. The standout feature of the ValRemote system is its infrared remote control, which is active only when a felling wedge is attached. This integration allows for versatile use of the impact wrench in various applications beyond tree felling, such as planting trees using the drill fast or performing tasks in a workshop. Versatility and efficiency. One of the primary advantages of the ValRemote system over competitive radio wedges is its ability to use the expensive drive unit on multiple felling wedges. This versatility allows the machine to be quickly and easily transferred to the next felling wedge, significantly improving efficiency in practical applications. Safety enhancements. The ValRemote system's design ensures that the user never has to work under the treetop while the trunk is moving. If the lifting height of a felling wedge is insufficient, the impact wrench can be detached and reattached to another felling wedge without compromising safety. This feature reduces the risk associated with traditional methods where the user has to support the tree manually. Compatibility with leading impact wrenches. The ValRemote system is compatible with several leading impact wrenches, including, by allowing quick transitions between felling wedges, the ValRemote system minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity. The ability to use the impact wrench for various tasks further extends its utility, making it a valuable tool for forestry professionals. Cost-effectiveness. The flexibility to use the same drive unit across multiple felling wedges reduces the need f. Number 2, Zero Smog Shield Pro. The Zero Smog Shield Pro is an advanced fume extraction system designed to revolutionize air quality in electronics manufacturing. Ensuring a clean and safe working environment is essential for productivity and employee health, and the Zero Smog Shield Pro delivers on both fronts. This review delves into its key features, technical specifications, and why it stands out in the market. The Zero Smog Shield Pro excels in filtering particles and gases, effectively removing odors from the workspace. This ensures that harmful fumes from soldering and other processes are efficiently captured, promoting a healthier work environment. Powerful blower with adjustable extraction power. Equipped with a powerful blower, the Zero Smog Shield Pro allows users to adjust the extraction power to suit their specific needs. This flexibility ensures optimal performance, whether you're working on delicate electronics or more demanding tasks. Compatibility and stackability. The Zero Smog Shield Pro is designed to be stackable with soldering stations of all brands, accommodating a maximum footprint of 13 cm by 18 cm. Number 3, Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0. The Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0, a 2-in-1 brushless cordless drill driver, is revolutionizing the world of power tools. With its innovative design, high performance, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This detailed review explores its key features, performance, and why it should be your next tool investment. The standout feature of the Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 is its dual P rotatable chucks, allowing users to switch between drill and driver bits effortlessly. This capability enhances efficiency, particularly in tasks requiring frequent bit changes. Powerful performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, this drill driver delivers 65% more power compared to previous models. It boasts 445 Nm of torque and can reach speeds up to 1700 rpm, enabling you to drive screws and drill through wood faster and more effectively. Expandable power with power share batteries. The Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 operates on the versatile power share battery system, which is compatible with over 140 tools in the 20 volts, 40 volts, and 80 volts ranges. This interoperability means you can power a wide variety of tools with the same battery, enhancing convenience and value. Intelligent digital torque settings. The intelligent digital interface allows users to set and maintain their preferred torque level without the need for constant readjustments. With 9 torque settings, you can easily switch between different power levels for various drilling and driving tasks. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 2.4 pounds with the battery, the The Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its compact design allows it to access tight and hard-to-reach spaces, making it ideal for a range of applications. Versatile speed and functionality. The drill driver features a variable speed trigger and a 2-speed gearbox. Number for DEPSTECH DS300SE Industrial Borescope. The DEPSTECH DS300SE Industrial Borescope is a powerful inspection tool designed to deliver high-quality imaging and efficient wire-pulling capabilities. With advanced Bluer 3.0 technology, a waterproof design, and a 50FT fish tape wire puller, this tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The DS300SE Industrial Borescope is equipped with DEPSTECH's Bluer 3.0 technology, which significantly enhances image quality and low-light performance. This technology ensures clear, detailed visuals, eliminating the common issues of dim or fuzzy images often encountered with lesser endoscopes. 180 rotation and mirror flip flexibility is crucial in tight inspection scenarios. The DS300SE offers a 180 rotation button and a mirror flip button, allowing users to view objects from various angles. Number 5. Coast CL40R. Illuminate your workspace with the powerful and versatile Coast CL40R clamp light. This robust work light is designed to provide dynamic lighting solutions with its impressive 3,900 lumens and wide range of features. Whether you're working on a construction site, in a workshop, or performing outdoor tasks, the CL40R ensures you have the light you need, exactly where you need it. The Coast CL40R delivers an impressive 3,900 lumens through its wide-angle flood beam. This feature ensures broad, consistent illumination, allowing you to see the entire work area clearly. Whether you're inspecting large surfaces or need to flood a room with light, the CL40R provides the coverage you need. High-strength aluminum clamp. The CL40R features a high-strength aluminum clamp that securely attaches to a wide variety of supports, from framing studs to truck doors. Number 6. Husqvarna T542i XP. Husqvarna, a renowned name in outdoor power equipment, introduces the T542i XP, the world's first battery chainsaw equipped with a clutch. Engineered for arborists and tree climbers, this innovative chainsaw combines the familiar power and performance of gas models with the convenience and benefits of battery technology. Revolutionary centrifugal clutch. The Husqvarna T542i XP boasts a centrifugal clutch, a groundbreaking feature in battery chainsaws. This clutch provides a throttle response akin to traditional gas-powered models, delivering a burst of energy at the start of each cut. The high power and kickstart energy ensure exceptional cutting performance and higher productivity, making it easier to handle tough tasks. Superior cutting performance. Designed with arborists and tree climbers in mind, the T542i XP offers added torque and exceptional cutting performance. This chainsaw is perfect for professionals who need reliable power and efficiency in their work. Whether cutting through dense branches or performing precision cuts in the canopy, the T542i XP delivers consistent, high-quality results. Convenient restart function. One of the standout features of the T542i XP is its convenient restart function. When the chainsaw stops during a cut, you can restart it without releasing the trigger or changing your hand position. This feature ensures a smoother and more efficient workflow, allowing you to stay focused on the task at hand without unnecessary interruptions. Battery power with gas-like performance. The T542i XP provides the power and performance you expect from a gas chainsaw but with all the benefits of battery technology. This includes lower emissions, reduced noise levels, and less maintenance. The T542i XP is designed to meet the demands of professional arborists while offering the eco-friendly advantages of a battery-powered tool. The Husqvarna T542i XP is specifically designed for arborists and tree climb. Number 7. TNT Rescue S100-32. The TNT Rescue S100-32 is a powerful and reliable spreader designed to meet the rigorous demands of rescue operations. Engineered by TNT Rescue Systems, Inc., this tool boasts impressive specifications and features that make it indispensable for fire and rescue teams. In this review, we will delve into the key features, technical specifications, and practical applications of the TNT Rescue S100-32, demonstrating why it stands out in the field of emergency rescue tools. The TNT Rescue S100-3 delivers an astounding spreading force of over 50,000 pounds and a spreading distance exceeding 30 inches. This immense power allows rescue teams to efficiently handle the most challenging extrication scenarios, from vehicle accidents to building collapses. Combination grabber jaw and automotive spreader tips. Equipped with a combination grabber jaw and automotive spreader tips, the S132 is versatile enough to tackle a wide range of rescue situations. These features ensure a firm grip and effective spreading action, crucial for extricating trapped individuals safely and quickly. True Variable Speed Control. The True Variable Speed Control TVSC provides precise operation, allowing rescuers to adjust the tool's speed to match the specific needs of the situation. This feature enhances control and accuracy, reducing the risk of further injury to victims during extrication. Ergonomic D-shape wraparound handle. Designed with a D-shape wraparound handle, the S132 offers superior ergonomics and ease of use. This handle design ensures a secure grip and allows for comfortable operation in various positions, making it easier for rescuers to maneuver the tool in tight or awkward spaces. Balanced and easy to position. Despite its weight of over 50 pounds, the S132 is well balanced, facilitating easy positioning during use. This balance minimizes operator fatigue and increases efficiency, allowing rescue teams to maintain high performance there. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.